How you doing? Pat here with Pat's Rides. What is today? Saturday, October 5th. It's a balmy 44 degrees according to the bike, but a beautiful sunrise. Kind of like I thought. Not near as warm on this as I would be on the Victory, but anyway, we're going to go try to find some back roads and hopefully some more covered bridges. So stick around, stay tuned, and I'll be back after this. Coming down 800 out of Denison, just like I did a couple of weeks ago on my Marietta video, we got a detour. So now I'm on State Route 258, road I haven't been on in a few years. Just kind of cruising today. I'm on State Route 342 now. Great road, but the sun is just so low in the sky, and I'm going east. Really makes it hard to navigate. You get blinded going around some of these corners, having to almost look directly into that sun. Well, someone's got some cows out. Kind of reminds me of being out west where they just literally roamed and it was nothing for them to be on the roads. They couldn't have found a worse way to intersect 822 up here. It's not so bad when you're making a left, but look at this. You're going to stay on your side of the road. It's a really awkward movement. And the video probably didn't show it, but that part of 800 is chewed up pretty bad. Been looking at that sign for years and wondering if that's what's down this road. Today we're going to find out. I stumbled on somebody's house. Whoops. Yep, I think I stumbled on someone's house. Well, now we know. I've been to this bridge several times, just never actually ridden through it because I've always been on great big heavy touring bikes. So we're going to go back here and see what's going on. Popular camping spot back here. Bridge Campground. Not sure how much longer this battery in the camera is going to last. beautiful back in here. I'm starting to think, with my lack of gravel skills, should I be on a road like this? Oh, rough too, wow. As I approach this hill, see how steep it is and how loose everything is under my tires, I'm realizing coming back this road with my lack of off-roading skills, gravel skills, is a big mistake. Let's just hope we can make it up this hill, okay? I'm pausing the video here for just a minute while I explain what's going through my head. I thought it'd be no big deal. It was a fairly gentle layover, but the steepness of the hill just carried me straight down and I was unable to stop myself. As I'm trying to stop myself and gain my footing going down this hill, I see that drain pipe, so I decided just to throw myself on the hill up on my back. I figured I wouldn't get hurt that way. And other than my pride, I didn't. Well, there's deer out there. I don't know if they'll show up on camera or not, but a couple of them. Well, we're going north on State Route 260 off of 26 North. I was on this road one other time many years ago. Well, here we are at the junction of State Route 78 and 83 heading west, and literally right after this, around this corner up here, is the Miners Memorial with the big muskie bucket right up here, which was the biggest drag line, I believe, in the world. Don't quote me on that just yet. We'll see it right up here to the right. This is the Miners Park here, which, yeah, it's got a real crappy gravel driveway, which really blows. But, and there it is, the big muskie bucket. Leaving McConnellsville, heading north, Muskingum River there to my left. There's a new roundabout back there that didn't know that's what they were building. Yeah, the Boondocks there, barbecue and grill. Good place for lunch. Been there a few times. I don't know if this will show up on camera or not, but go down one time, these bags are stupid flimsy. I mean, Touratech BMW. Touratech BMW, you can see where it's dented in right there a little bit. Granted, my fault, but they sure are flimsy. Would not recommend BMW bags to anybody.